Understanding slack tide, a natural phenomenon. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting phrase that you might come across if you're learning about the ocean, sailing, or just expanding your English vocabulary: slack tide. We'll explore what this term means, where it comes from, and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's get started on this educational journey together and make sure you're never at sea with your English learning. The term slack tide refers to a specific point in the tidal cycle. It's the period of little or no current when the water is completely unstressed. This occurs in the brief period between the incoming, flood, and outgoing, ebb, tides, when the water level is neither rising nor falling significantly. During slack tide, the water is relatively still because the tidal current has ceased. This is a critical concept for sailors, fishers, and anyone interested in marine life. Understanding slack tide is crucial for several reasons. For sailors, it marks the best time to set out or dock their boats, as the minimal current makes for easier and safer navigation. For marine biologists and enthusiasts, slack tide can be the perfect moment to study sea life, as many marine creatures are active during the change in tide. Additionally, in the English language, the term can be metaphorically used to describe a calm or still period in life or activity. Now that you know what slack tide is, let's see how to use it in everyday conversation or writing. Here are a few examples. We waited for slack tide to begin our dive, as the still water conditions are ideal for underwater exploration. The fisherman timed his trip to coincide with slack tide for a bountiful catch. I'm enjoying the slack tide in work now, before the busy season starts. Using the term correctly in context can help convey precise meaning and also showcase a rich and varied vocabulary. I hope this video has clarified what slack tide means and how you can use it in your daily English language practice. Remember, understanding such specific terms not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your comprehension of the nuances of English. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more language learning videos. Goodbye for now, and keep learning.